Mastering the GRE Analytical Writing Issue Task. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the GRE Analytical Writing Section, specifically the issue task. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what the task demands and how you can excel at it. Let's get started. The GRE's Analytical Writing Section comprises two separate writing tasks: the issue task and the argument task. For the issue task, you'll be presented with a statement or a claim on a topic of general interest. Your role? Analyze the issue, take a position, and provide a reasoned response, using evidence and examples from your own experiences, readings, or observations. A strong response to the issue task will: 1. Clearly state your position on the issue. 2. Develop your ideas with reasons and examples. 3. Maintain a logical flow throughout your essay. 4. Exhibit command over the English language, including varied sentence structures and vocabulary. 5. Avoid excessive repetition and stay on topic. Brainstorm. Before you start writing, spend a few minutes brainstorming. Jot down your thoughts and potential examples to support your stance. Outline. Organize your thoughts. Decide the order in which you want to present your arguments. Practice. Like any other skill, writing improves with practice. Write sample essays and get feedback, if possible. Stay calm. Remember, it's natural to feel a bit nervous. Just focus on presenting your ideas clearly and logically. 1. Being vague. Be specific in your response. Use concrete examples. 2. Grammatical errors. These can detract from the clarity and persuasiveness of your argument. 3. Not taking a clear position. The task asks you to take a stance. Avoid sitting on the fence. The GRE Analytical Writing Issue Task is your chance to showcase your critical thinking and writing skills. Remember, it's not about having the right opinion but how you support and articulate your view. Keep practicing, stay confident, and you'll surely master this section. Until next time, happy studying.